Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy. I'm going to open this video by saying that it contains sponsored content. And for those of you that are opposed to that kind of thing, you can go right now and click on something else. However, if you're into seeing some really cool footage of things that are rusty getting not so rusty, I suggest you stay tuned and see what Metal Rescue can do. This is Metal Rescue. This is the non-concentrated form in the gallon size. I also have this 14-ounce size that if you add a gallon of water to, it actually comes out to a little more than this. So even though this looks small, there's a lot contained in this little package. Now, one of the coolest things about Metal Rescue is it is biodegradable. In fact, the only thing that really needs to fear Metal Rescue is rust, and that's what we're about to demonstrate here in this tub behind me. Here is my tubbo victims. Now, I realize these are some lightly rusted items, this bolt and some of these tools and things that I'm using, but Metal Rescue starts out clear, but as you use it, it can get a little cloudy. And since I want to do a time lapse of all of this, I want to make sure that you're actually able to see this stuff in action. For the second part of my demonstration, I've chosen some items that are a bit more rusty. And I've done this one, so I could avoid the cloudy mixture, but also to demonstrate that Metal Rescue is reusable. Here's one last good look at these items before Metal Rescue. I'm going to start with the gallon jug of unconcentrated Metal Rescue. Now that I've also chosen these items because they have these plastic handles, I want to show you that the only thing this goes after is the rust. It doesn't care about the plastic. There it is. We'll come back when it isn't rusty anymore. It's been about 24 hours actually. And look what I got. No rust. This one was the rustiest. And it's just back down to regular metal. Moves nicely and everything. All right, here are the tools and items after I've had a chance to dry them off a little bit. No damage to any of the rubber parts or any of that stuff. They also need to be actually moving better than ever. So, solve the rusty tool problems. But that's not good enough, is it? Let's see what it does to this. Here we got some real rust. Let's put the rustiest of the rusty down inside the Metal Rescue. And you're thinking, Eric, that's not enough. Don't worry, I got this. We are now completely submerged. And I'm gonna do the same thing, set up a time lapse, and we'll see if we can watch the rust disappear. Well, it's been about 24 hours. Let's see how our rusty jack looks now. Well, that's kind of unfortunate that it's got that goo that looks like it went right up in front of the lens. Sorry about that. Neat little plastic bit down in there though, unharmed. But I'm gonna take this out and rinse it off, and we'll get a look at what it looks like now after a night in a bath of Metal Rescue. Ha! Cool. This thing also looking good, although I will admit, it looks like this could use some more time in here. You know what the weird thing about Metal Rescue is? It kind of smells like cat food. I'm calling that a result. Compared to what we dumped in the bath yesterday, it doesn't even resemble it. And I probably could leave it a little longer, and I probably could spend more time getting rid of more of this rust, but the point is, the rust came off. The sticker that was on here is still intact. They say it's safe on everything except rust. And from what I'm seeing here, I tend to believe them. My experience with Metal Rescue has been positive. It does what it says. It works on rust and nothing else. The rubber handles on my pliers, those are all fine. The sticker on the floor jack, also fine. I will say this though, I did get a little bit inside of a cut on my finger and it stung a bit. Also, when I came in this morning, there was a dead fly in the solution, so it's not safe for flies. I'm going to use it again, literally. I'm going to take the stuff that I used, pour it back in the jug, and the next time I need to make rust disappear, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to put a link in the description to Metal Rescue so you can check it out for yourself. Aside from that, be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and not rusty. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.